hopping, hippin' and hopping, no stopping, hippin' and hopping, hippin' and hopping, no stopping.
Hey yo, once upon a rhyme a while ago, me and some other kids decided to write some flow. So I would go to my grandma, borrow the cassette deck, rap over Nas beats without any headset or mics, pushing two buttons at the same time, breathe. And while the beat began, I would say rhymes like, all I need is one mic and one chance. I'ma grab it with both hands and change the circumstance. Cause we began as Fat Mark Collective, performed all over and sincerely got respected. Breathe it in, breathe it out, everybody sang out loud. Response so many people made us be proud of our shit. I was here since the beginning, when I discovered Snoop and Dre and nothing but a G-Thang was missing in my life. Exhibit gave me word on paparazzi way before I knew about the measures of the golden meaning, the true meaning of the numeral sequence of Fibonacci. I was listening to Biggie screaming, can't nobody stop me. But we had to have some beats of our own. Internet wasn't providing the uniqueness we hold. So digging in the crates was the next and final answer. Kept digging till we found the gold that we were after. Funk, soul, a bump and bass trumpets, bunch of kicks and breaks to have the whole room jumping. We started working harder on tracks, rolled for ages. Never really happy with results, so we replaced them over and over and over. Suddenly we came with this crazy concept to take it back to the basics. J&S finally created, developed. We tweaked the beats and we had the rhymes a bit embellished. I fell in love with hip-hop, it's carrying a message. You will know if you will listen to the story that I'm telling. Like this, y'all.
Like that, y'all. Hip-hop was my first love, and it'll be my last, y'all. Like this, y'all.
Like that, y'all. Hip-hop was my first, it'll be my last. Like this, y'all.
Like that, y'all. Hip-hop was my first love, and it'll be my last, y'all. Like this, y'all.
Like that, y'all. Hip-hop was my first, it'll be my last.
Here's a little story that I got to tell about two young MCs and how they both felt on the day we all remember. It sparked a bit of thunder that will make the fire and I'll slide up forever. But come see an MC, how it started off for me way back when I was just a little teen with little dreams. Had lots of rhythm and loved the whole music scene. That's why I didn't really listen to it lyrically. It seemed to be alright. One night I even tried to copy the beat. I set up the beatbox, and despite the fact that I had no clue it existed, I might have my first contact with my true path for life. Then one day my sister took me to the library, made me open my eyes, made me see more clear. Then she took some, placed it in my hands, and it looked like a weed cover made by a clan called the Wu-Tang. 36 Shamans made me a true fan, digging deeper and deeper, hearing how those beats band. Lyrics or messages made by rhyming sentences in a way a man could only try to express the shit. And people will listen to it, listen to the fluid rhymes, no doubt. Everybody fell off at first sight, I fell it too. So I tried to write the flow and style, it fell right. So I did it all damn night, but never allowed, cause it felt like stage fright. Then I had to change from school, I met this dude like I had to meet him, but see him standing here right now next to me, and we teamed up cause we liked each other's style. If you listen to his words, then you will know how we became what we are today. And know now we fell in love with hip-hop. It's carrying a message, you will know if you will listen to the story that we're telling.
Like this, y'all.
Like that, y'all. Hip-hop was my first love, it'll be my last, y'all. Like this, y'all.
Like that, y'all. Hip-hop was my first, it'll be my last. Like this, y'all.
Like that, y'all. Hip-hop was my first love, and it'll be my last, y'all. Like this, y'all.
Like that, y'all. Hip-hop was my first, it'll be my last.
Rap is something you do. 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 Hip hop is something you live. Hip hop is something you live. Hip hop is something you live. Hip hop is something you live.